So you might be trying to figure out how you can make your iPhone applications bigger or smaller on your iPhone. Now, I'm going to go and demonstrate this on iOS 18. This is the newest way of doing it here, but if you're not on iOS 18 yet, there's other options, but this is specifically a tutorial for iOS 18. Now to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and find the applications you want to make bigger. Now this does it system-wide for your whole application, so keep that in mind. Now let's say I want to make these applications bigger on my home screen. But what I can do is I can go ahead and hold down on an application just like this, and I can go and click on the Edit Home Screen button, which is right here. So I can tap on Edit Home Screen right there, and in the top left, I'm going to see this Edit button. So what I want to do is I want to tap on Edit, and I want to go and click on Customize, which is right here. So tap on Customize, and then at the bottom, this thing's going to come up. So what I want to do here is I want to go and choose. You'll see the app icons I can change from dark to light or whatever. We don't want to do that. Right here, there's two options, a small and a large option. So if we want to, we can go and tap onto the large option right here, and you can see that the application sizes actually end up getting bigger. And again, this goes system-wide, so you can see all the applications ended up getting bigger, and it actually does look kind of nice. I kind of like it like this. Now, if you want to bring them back to the smaller size, you can hold them down right here. You can go and click Edit Home Screen, click on Edit up here, click on Customize, and then make them small again. And that's all you're really going to have to do. So that's how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit the subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.